Hey guys, it is Casey with the Scalemodel, the engineer Casey, and I am back with another video on this Ford Shelby F-150 Bluetooth speaker. So I'm going to do a quick sound test and let me know what you guys think. Here I have my trusty DJI mic, and I'm going to be using that for a more accurate sound test, and hopefully this thing performs well. So the first thing that you're going to see on this truck is I have my USB Type-C cord underneath it at the rear end, and that's where you plug in your USB Type-C cord into the connector and then the other end into the outlet. So this truck is not portable. It does require an outlet to be plugged in to work for power. Unfortunately, there was not enough space to fit a board inside the truck. I only had space for the amplifier, the Bluetooth board, and the rear speaker, 2-inch speaker in the back. So not too much space. However, I was able to get it done. So yeah, at least we got it working, and it sounds amazing. It sounds louder than the GT3 RS, the McLaren 765, and the Porsche Brabus 900 Rocket. So this one is considered a loudspeaker, unlike the other ones. And I'm going to show you guys the back in just a second. So this is the rear, as you guys can see, and underneath here we have our USB Type-C port. That's where you plug in your USB Type-C cord. And yeah, sounds amazing. Great bass, even more bass than the other car models that I've done, due to how much space is around the speaker. That helps a lot. So it's like a tuned enclosure in its own, and I just stuffed some bottle putty around it and some polyfill, which is what they use in actual speaker enclosure. So this is high grade stuff that's inside these speakers that I build. And let's get into the sound test. Alright, so the only cord you need to power this is a USB Type-C 5V 2A cord with at least a 5V 2A outlet box, which is universal for all types of outlet boxes. You can power it with a phone box or just a regular USB Type-C cord. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this into the USB Type-C port. Snaps in. So the minute I plug this in, the first thing I'm going to hear is a chime. And just like that, the model is turned on and connected to my phone. So I'm going to show you guys an instrumental, and yeah, let's see how this thing performs. I haven't turned it on in about 3 weeks. So here's another test to make sure everything is working cleanly and the speakers sound fresh. And that's it for this video. I'm Casey with the Scalemodel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys next time.